Just showing you how the electric awning works on our 552 PK Adria. Really quite easy. You just have to make sure you put it up at night or when it's windy or when it's raining. It really is only a shade shelter. So you just basically press this out to go out. It will go out slowly but surely. When you get out to the end, you need to make sure that the tube is facing the bottom, and that will be as far as out as it needs to go. If it comes back on itself and starts winding back in, you've gone too far. But as you can see, it's going out nicely there. And there's a tube on the bottom which you can put a privacy wall into if you have one, which will basically show the far extension of where it goes to. And there's also a little flap I'm about to add, which will show you that fully extended location. When it says stop, it will show you how far you have gone. So as you can see, it's just about there now. That flap's come down, and therefore that's virtually down as far as it needs to go. You can see that little tube here. This is when this is facing the ground. That would be where your privacy wall goes in if you have one, which this isn't quite far enough yet. So I'll just go till this is down, and that is fully extended and ready to go like that. So that's it. It's a great little thing. I'm going to put this in here now just to show you. Stop. Once you can see this is facing down, you have definitely gone far enough. Okay, so that's how that all works. And to put it in, it's really easy also. It's at night time when it's raining, whatever. You'll just come into here and you'll go in, and it will go in. If you have any other problems, the knobs there should be loosened off. These are actually not super tight already. They're just a little bit tight so that that can still work there and on the other side, so that they come in evenly. So they're not done up too tight, so that will just work in and out when you need to. If it was your battery gone flat or whatever, you would have to wind it up with a pole, which would go into here to wind it up manually. But that really shouldn't happen. So that's the electric awning. If you thought your battery was going flat, you would need to then obviously pull it in earlier anyway. And there's a measurement for that battery up here to show you once you've turned this on, it shows you how much life you've got left in there. So that is the electric awning. So now we're just going to go in. And as you can see, it's coming in nicely. That little flappy part which I showed you before to warn you of not going too far. There it is again. When it goes straight down, you are fine.